Where are we? We are at SeaWorld! Hi guys! We are here on a special occasion because my cousin is here! Daisy! What are you looking forward to today?
I will see sharks.
What are you looking forward to today?
Pizza.
Wait, what? What are you looking forward to?
Penguins.
Okay, Grandma, what are you looking forward to?
Cotton candy?
Sneak up behind you when you least expect it. Check it out.
What was your thoughts on the show? Fantastic. How was your thoughts on the show?
It was spectacular.
Spectacular. How did you like the show?
It was good.
There's so many of them.
How does it feel?
Yes, Queen. Are you gonna go on?
Yes!
I'm excited. Yay. What did we do? We stuck to a locker. Oh, we got a hat. We got a bag. We got my bag. We got another bag. And a backpack. A bag inside of a bag. What do you guys think? What? Wait, that's where we were? Shark!
Wait, how am I going to face on your lap? Oh no!
I have something in my teeth! Why is there a shark in the corner?
Sally!
No, you can see my saliva!
That looks great. It's the Bay of Play! Run in, Bailey! We can go in there? Mommy, How'd you like Atlantis? Goodbye, SeaWorld. Say bye, you guys.
I like Indian pickles. In the morning. California.